Good morning, dear students. As you know, in the yesterday's lecture, we have completed our chapter number 12. In this chapter 12, you have studied about money, right? What topic we have completed? We have completed our topic, that is money. In this chapter, you learn how to apply and how to add, subtraction, multiplication and division of money, right? One by one we have learnt about all these things, how we will add the money, how we multiply, how we subtract and how we will divide the money. Except these topics, we have learned one more topic, that is estimating the money. Means how you will estimate by rounding off to the nearest rupee, nearest 10,000, nearest 100. Clear? Like this. Now after this, on the page number 180, one worksheet is there, that is of chapter 12. In this worksheet there are 12 questions. We will do one by one. So let we start our exercise. Worksheet. First question is convert into paise. First one is convert into paise. Now let's see. Worksheet 12. First question, convert rupees 563 decimal 52 into paise, right? So paise के लिए what we do, multiply with 100. So rupees 563 decimal 52 multiply with 100, right? ये डेसिमल है, आप इस डेसिमल को रिमूव करोगे. सो नाउ ये डेसिमल रिमूव करोगे बेटा, डाउन साइड हाउ व्हाट कम 100, क्योंकि डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं 2. नाउ 100 कट बाय 100 एंड योर आंसर इज 56,352 paise, right? What come here? 56,352 paise. Now second question is convert 25,637 paise into rupees and paise, into rupees and paise. So if you remembered, when we are converted paise into rupees, so there what we will do, we will divide with 100. क्या करते हैं हम उसको 100 से डिवाइड करते हैं. एंड देखो अब डाउन साइड 2 zeros हैं, सो 1 2 लास्ट से 2 डिजिट decimal 37 and this become rupees. Clear? When you converted rupees into paisa, there you will multiply with 100. When you converted paisa into rupees and paise, वहाँ पे आप 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे, राइट? एंड जब आप डिवाइड करेंगे बेटा, सो यू विल पुट अ डेसिमल बिफोर 2 डिजिट्स. रीजन, डाउन साइड हाउ मैनी जीरोस 2, सो 1 2. एंड जो आपका डेसिमल के बाद है, ये अमाउंट रिप्रेजेंट करता है पैसे, एंड डेसिमल से पहले वाली डिजिट्स रिप्रेजेंट करती हैं रुपीज़, राइट? आफ्टर दिस द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज एड रुपीज़ 134 decimal 94, rupees 224 decimal 82 and rupees 533 decimal 84. Now we have to add these amounts. So when you will add beta, firstly what we will do, हम इनको अरेंज करेंगे, राइट? Now arrange rupees 134.92। देखो आप अरेंज करोगे जब रुपीज़ में, अगर बेटा डेसिमल आ रहा है, इट मीन्स वहाँ पे फिक्स है कि आपकी 2 ही डिजिट होंगी, 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं होंगी। उसका रीज़न क्या है? क्योंकि हमारे जो 1 रुपीज़ हैं, हाउ मेनी पैसे देयर? 100, राइट? सो 224, नेक्स्ट रुपीज़ 533.84 प्लस, now 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 8 25, so 5 will be here and 2 goes carry. Here come decimal. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 1 goes carry. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8. So rupees 893.58. Clear? Now next, the fourth question. So subtract rupees 503.82 फ्रॉम द सम ऑफ, मीन्स फर्स्टली क्या करना है बच्चे, हमें दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करना। रुपीज़ 241.64 एंड रुपीज़ 773.57। 7 plus 4 11, 1 goes carry. 6 plus 5 11 and 1 12, 1 goes carry. Decimal 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 4 plus 7 11, again 1, then 1 come carry. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So rupees 1015.21. Now subtract this. क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है हमें? रुपीज़ 503.82 फ्रॉम द सम ऑफ, ये सम आया, इट मीन इसमें से आप ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। रुपीज़ 1015.21 एंड रुपीज़ 503.82। 11 minus 2 9, 1, 11 minus 8 3, डेसिमल। यहाँ पे क्या आ गया आपका? 4, 4 minus 3 1, 1 and 10 minus 5 5. So amount is rupees 511.39. Clear this question? Next, come to fifth one. Fifth is multiply the sum of, means sum of, sum आ गया तो sum means क्या होगा? Whenever you will add the two numbers, that we call the sum, right? So sum is rupees 1232 plus rupees 1236. 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus 2 4 and 1 plus 1 2. So this is rupees 2468, right? Now what we have to do? We have to multiply this amount with 13. So now you will multiply yourself and find the answer. Clear? Multiply yourself and check what amount will come here. Now the question number 6 is divide rupees 45,225 by 15 by 15 rupees 45,225 divided by 15. So what we have to do first, we will write the table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135 and 15 tens are 150. So देखो first two numbers are 45, it goes on 3. 15 threes are 45, 0, take down 2. So 2 is less than 50, 2 is less than 15, so we will take one more number. And in division, when you take two numbers together, you have to put 1 0 at the quotient. Now 15 twos are 30, so it goes on 1. 15 ones are 15. 12 minus 5, 7, 1 minus 1, 0. Take down 5 and 15 fives are 17, 5. Clear? Your answer is rupees 3015. Rupees 3015. So clear this question? And your answer is rupees 3015. Now come to the seventh one. In seventh question, Karina had rupees 4500 in her purse. Her father gave her rupees 5500 more. She put this amount also in the same purse. How much does she have in her purse now? So देखो firstly जो उसके पास total money थी, money she had, that is 4500. Now her father gave her how much? Rupees 5500. So they are asking about the total money in the purse now. So Karina had rupees 4500, right? Her father gave how much? Rupees 5500. Clear? So total amount Karina have equals to, what we will do, see मैंने आपको बताया था when total come in any question, it means you have to add that amount. So rupees 4500 plus rupees 5500. Add 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, 1 goes carry, 4 plus 5 9 and 1 10. Total how much? Rupees 10,000. Clear? How much money Karina have in her purse now? Karina have rupees 10,000. This is the question number 7 of worksheet 12. Now come to question number 8. A cup and a bowl together cost rupees 423.50. The cup cost rupees 136. So what does the bowl cost? So now देखो कप एंड बाउल की जो कॉस्ट है बेटा वो एक साथ दी हुई है. फ्रॉम बोथ द थिंग्स, फ्रॉम बोथ द कॉस्ट, दे टोल्ड यू अबाउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ कप, राइट? सो व्हाट यू विल राइट? टोटल कॉस्ट, or you can say cost of cup and bowl. Cost of cup and bowl equals to rupees 423.50. Now we have to find one more, cost of cup equals to, so cost of cup is rupees 136. Now we have to find the cost of bowl. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ बाउल का मतलब क्या बेटा, यहाँ पे आप कैसे निकालोगे? टोटल अमाउंट में से अगर हम कप की कॉस्ट को रिमूव करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, तो वो क्या आएगी आपकी बाउल की कॉस्ट। रीज़न, क्योंकि इन दोनों की जो कॉस्ट है वो किसके इक्वल है? रुपीज़ 423। सो नाउ सब्ट्रैक्टेड रुपीज़ 136, पैसे गिवन नहीं है तो लेट इट 0, 5 minus 0, 5 decimal, 3 minus 6 can't subtract, so 13 minus 6 7 1, ये क्या आ जाएगा आपका 3 and there come 11 minus 3 8 and 3 minus 1 2. So cost of bowl is rupees 287.50. Clear? So cost of bowl is rupees 287.50. Now question number 9 is a pen costs rupees 25.50. So what is the cost of 32 such pens? Now in the 9th one, cost of pen equals to rupees 25.50. You have to find the cost of 32 pens. It means what we will do, we will multiply this with 32, right? So ये देखो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, डेसिमल रिमूव करोगे 100, 0 कट बाय 0. Now we will cut it more. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 16s are 32. Now you have to multiply with rupees 51 with 16. Clear? And that amount is of the amount of 32 pence. Clear? बहुत सिंपल है. आप जब ऐसे न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को कट करते हो तो बेटा याद रखना सिंगल टेबल से कट होंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप इसको 5 से कर रहे हो इसको 2 से, वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. देखो फर्स्टली मैंने 0 को 0 से कट किया, फिर 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, देन इसको 2 से 2 1s are 2 and 16 2s are 32, राइट? क्लियर? नाउ 10th is cost of 12 gift is rupees 89,964. So you have to find the cost of one gift. So how you will write? Cost of 12 gifts is equals to rupees 89,964. So cost of one gift, that is rupees 89,964 divided by 12. When you divide, the answer is the cost of one gift. Okay, that is the cost of one gift. Very simple, nothing more than आपको सिर्फ 89,964 को 12 से डिवाइड करना है. Clear? Now after this, the question number 11 is estimate by rounding off to nearest rupee. Now what we have to do, we have to round off. See, this estimation topic we have done in our previous lecture. I hope you all understand how it comes. So, देखो आपको जो अमाउंट गिवन है बेटा वो क्या है, ₹232.78 प्लस ₹458.29, right? So now what you will do, we have to round off to nearest रुपी. तो मैंने आपको बताया था जब आप रुपी में नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो आप डेसिमल के बाद के नंबर को 50 के साथ कंपेयर करो. 32 डेसिमल 78, 50 एंड 78 ग्रेटर है. सो ये एस्टिमेशन में क्या हो जाएगा, ₹233, राइट. दिस वन 458 डेसिमल 29, विच वन इज़ ग्रेटर, 50 ग्रेटर है 29 से. तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा यहाँ पे, सेम एस्टिमेशन ₹458. ऐड करना है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड द एस्टिमेटेड सम, राइट. estimated sum means simply add it plus ₹458. now add and find the estimated sum. clear? just nothing more than it, very easy. simply आपको क्या करना है, इसको just round off को add करना है and then you will find the estimated sum, right. now the question number 12 is estimate by rounding off to nearest rupee. again next question number 12 में भी क्या करना है, सेम यही प्रोसीजर है, राउंड ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट रुपी, राइट. सो क्वेश्चन 12 रुपीज़ 733.98 minus rupees 569.69. again this is also nearest rupee. so rupee में जब आप करते हो, so what you will do, we will compare it with 50. so rupees 733.98 और 50 में विच वन इज़ ग्रेटर बेटा, 98. तो क्या हो जाएगा ये, ₹733 प्लस 1, ₹734. नाउ सेकेंड नंबर ₹569.69. so this 69 compare with 50, 69 ग्रेटर. सो यहाँ पे भी क्या हो जाएगा आपका, ₹569 प्लस 1 एंड दैट इज़ ₹570, राइट. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट, इट मीन्स एस्टिमेटेड difference. so rupees 734 minus rupees 570. subtract and find the answer. answer is 4 minus 0. see here also we can subtract it. 4, 13 minus 7 6 and 6 minus 5 1. amount is 164. so estimated difference is ₹164. clear to everyone? just simply आपको क्या करना है बेटा, you have to compare with 50. अगर 50 से ग्रेटर है तो क्या करोगे, प्लस 1, right. and you have to find the estimated difference. now by this question your chapter 12 is over, so you have to revise it and on Monday will be your test of chapter 12. clear everyone? so by this, now after this one activity is also given here downside. make a collection of sentence appearing in conversation, news items, advertisements etc. which mention money. जिसके अंदर क्या मेंशन हो बेटा, मनी हो. आपको ऐसा एक कलेक्शन करना है सेंटेंसेस का किसी कन्वर्सेशन में या न्यूज़ में, एडवर्टाइजमेंट में, जहाँ पे मनी हो. यू मे मेक अ स्क्रैप फाइल और अ कोलाज. जैसे देखो एग्जाम्पल गिवन है, दिस मोबाइल फ़ोन इज़ अवेलेबल फॉर ₹14,520. राइट. सो यू हैव टू कलेक्ट 10 this type of 10 lines cut it from newspaper, advertisement, whichever you will like, and paste it in your scrapbook or on a white sheet. Right, this activity you have to do and submit till Monday.